Here we have a 2018 BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've got the Estoril blue metallic exterior paintwork on this vehicle, which looks absolutely fantastic, especially in contrast with the black features around the vehicle. You've then got the black kidney grills at the front just there, and it has quite a bit of road presence, this vehicle. As you can tell, we've got the M Performance styling kit on it, which really gives it that aggressive styling. Now there's a closer look at your second 19-inch alloy wheel. You've then got your charging port just above, as this is a hybrid vehicle, so you will have ultra low running costs when driving this around. You've got the black side skirts at the bottom, black wing mirrors, colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. You've got the eDrive badging at the rear just there as well, shark fin antenna on top. Coming around to the back here, we've then got reversing parking sensors, as well as reversing parking camera, as well as front and rear parking sensors. Dual exit exhaust can be seen on the left hand side. We've also got the black spoiler, which really sets the back end off nicely, as you can see just there. Now if we open up the boot, you've got plenty of storage space inside for whatever you may need. You've got the storage net on the right. Charging cables can be found on the left, as well as 12-volt connectivity just above. Closing that up, you'll notice that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there is a closer look at your last alloy wheel. Going on to the interior next, as you can see, we've got a full black leather interior with the blue stitching throughout. ISOFIX points within the seats. You've got the fold down armrest in the centre, 12-volt connectivity and vents in the middle, storage nets behind the front seats there. On the doors you'll see your Harman Kardon sound system. You've got more leather with the blue stitching, brushed metal handle, electric window controls, and this fantastic metal looking trim as well. Coming into the front now, we've got that same familiar full black leather interior, again with the blue stitching to match the exterior. Really nice how the calipers, the stitching and the exterior paintwork all ties in together. Now as you can see here, we've then got that same Harman Kardon sound system, integrated speakers just there, electrically adjustable power folding wing mirrors with electric window controls and child lock for the rear. You'll find your auto lights on the right just there. Now stepping inside, we'll start the vehicle up. Foot on the brake, we do have keyless start, and we are away. Now with it being a hybrid, we don't actually get the engine turning on straight away, as we are on electric power for starters. We can change this in the settings. Now as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've got low fuel, but that is nothing to worry about at all. You've then got your multifunctional steering wheel with things like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wiper stalk on the left, auto high beam assist on the left, sorry, on the right you've got your auto wipers. Coming into the centre, you'll see you've got your infotainment screen with features like satellite navigation. You've then got different forms of media connectivity. As you can see, we've got USB, Bluetooth, CD, music collection, AM, FM, DAB and DMB radio. Plenty of ways to listen to music in this vehicle. You've then got your phone connectivity for making calls or listening to your music from your phone. Put the vehicle into reverse. You'll see you've got your reversing camera, as well as a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors. Another thing to show off is we do have the different driving modes, consisting of Sport Plus Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, so you can pick and choose which mode best suits your driving style at the time. Now as we mentioned before, with the electric mode driving, you've got your different modes here like Auto eDrive, Max eDrive and Save Battery, so you can pick and choose which mode best suits your driving style again at the time. Now coming down, you've then got your stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls as well, so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Additional storage space, we've got two good sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity in the centre. Of course we've got our gear stick just here. We can actually take manual control of the gears like so. You can also access sport mode in the same fashion. Now you've then got your traction control, different mode selects, a button to turn off the beeping for your parking sensors, different shortcuts with the control wheel and touchpad, again for the infotainment screen, and then in the centre you'll find a soft touch leather armrest which does double up as storage. You'll find a USB port in there as well. Now there's another look at the passenger seat. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive for this BMW 330e. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Now starting off, we've got our speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise control button, push up on the trigger just there, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust that speed with that same trigger, either by increments of 1 or to the nearest 5. Then to deactivate, we can either press the cruise control button again or apply pressure to the brakes. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 7th gear, down to 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, and as we slow down into 3rd. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there are plenty of great features to talk about in this car. Of course, we've got a infotainment screen with things like Bluetooth audio, satellite navigation, DAB radio. We've then got our heads-up display, which is a really nice feature to have in a car. Your eyes don't need to leave the road whilst you're driving to monitor your speed. And then we've got our Harman Kardon sound system as well, of course, which just sounds absolutely fantastic. We've also got a nice amount of performance. We've got around 250 brake horsepower, reaching us 0 to 60 in just over 6 seconds. So it's certainly a capable car as well. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years. We've also offered free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We are a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, you'll see we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm just taking a right into the industrial park now. I'm about to perform an emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes there with no problems at all. Put the vehicle into reverse, again, no problems there. So we've got our reversing camera and the visual display of our sensors on the screen there. Last test for the cars, we are about to drive over the speed bump. As you can tell, completely free from any unwanted knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. Now this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is it from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.